Hi, myself PAVAN KUMAR, and I am a recent graduate with Bachelor's degree in Computer Science from Vivekananda Degree College. And my native place is Karnataka, where I was born, and I have been grown and raised in Hyderabad. And I completed my education in Hyderabad. And during my academics, I was interested in programming. So I have enrolled for the Java Full Stack Development course in Jspiders Punjagutta branch. So I have joined here in the month of August. So I have learned various technologies like web technologies, SQL, Core Java, and Advanced Java. So in this, I have enrolled for the Java Full Stack Development course, and I learned web technologies by Geeta ma'am and SQL by Karishma ma'am, Core Java by Pawan sir and Manjunath sir, Advanced Java by Ravi sir. So and even these trainers are very supportive and helpful to clear the mocks or interviews. The trainers are so helpful and supportive, and the mock sessions and presentations are helpful to me a lot. It boosts my confidence. So the grooming sessions also helped me to crack the interviews. And after that, I recently placed in a company